how welders should be hustling right now. All different type of ways. I'm out here, just met a guy from off of Facebook Market. Just sold him a grill. He's gone. It's more than one way to network, man. I mean, networking is applying yourself to get cash flow. We're welders, we're fabricators, but all the time you might not get your money from welding. You might get your money from doing some installs. You might get your money from hauling some stuff around with your truck. You might get some money from selling something that you bought low and you sold it for a good price and still doubled your money. You know what I'm saying? So I network in all aspects of hustling. Like, I consider myself as being a genuine entrepreneur when it comes to networking my skills. Like, I'm going to sell things on Craigslist, mark it up, offer up. I don't care what the situation is. Like, if it's a need, or I feel like somebody need it, or maybe it's something I don't even know is a need, I'm still going to throw it out there, and if it gets some hits, then, you know, I leave it up there, and if it don't, then I'll pull it down. But I feel like we got to think outside of the box. The game right now is to get cash flow. Anywhere you can. Cash flow. Cash. Untaxable cash. Cash you can be able to save, to be able to invest, to do other things with. And that's what you should be doing right now. Utilizing all of your time, all of your equipment, so that way you can get your hog on. Black Phoenix, I'm out.